Hi everybody, here we are packing for New York Fashion Week. I'm so excited but nervous. I'm going to New York during Fashion Week. I'm not going for Fashion Week. My friend Amanda is a model, so she's going for castings, and she was like, do you want to come? Or maybe I even invited myself. I don't know, but I'm going with her is the moral of the story. So today I need to pack and figure out what I'm bringing and wearing. Even though it's Fashion Week, I won't be dressing like crazy just because I won't feel comfortable, and I'm not like going to shows. I'm just gonna be in the city, and yeah. So if you think my outfits are boring, that's why. Nobody's paying me to go. Nobody invited me. I really have no reason to be there, but I'm gonna go anyways. I leave tomorrow morning at literally like 3 a.m. or something stupid. I have to leave for the airport. I'm in my PJs because I just self-tanned, but I wanted to show you guys. I just made these shoes out of a pair of regular black ballet flats. I really wanted, is this the best angle? I really wanted the Miu Miu ballet flats, and they're $850, so that didn't happen. So I found them used and I bought them, and then they canceled my order, and I was like, whatever, it's a sign, I'm gonna make them myself. I don't think most people think that way for shoes, but look at them, how cute. So I just sewed on these little buckles that were from a belt I thrifted. So when I take the shoe off, it's just the buckles. Literally, you can see I thrifted them for $3.99, sorry, $4. And then I tied the ribbon around my foot like this. And I think I'm gonna start doing this with more of my shoes because it's so cute. Belt I used only had 3 buckles, so I made them mismatch. One shoe has 1 buckle, one has 2. I'm really happy with how they turned out though. So I just sewed the buckles on and now I'm gonna super glue them too, just in case my sewing job was subpar. So I'm probably gonna lay out on the ground everything I'm bringing. You guys, I'm overwhelmed already. Okay, I'm gonna lay stuff out and then probably try on some outfits. Got a lot of clothes laid out, and this kind of helps me like when I'm looking at all of this and the general color scheme and whatnot, especially like what jackets to bring, because I really thought I was gonna bring my fur trim one, but it just doesn't seem like it fits in this color scheme. Honestly, if we have room, I'll pack the cheetah one because I feel like that would go well in this. So my 2 jackets, I will wear the trench on the plane, and then I'm gonna bring this nasty cow blazer, which is funny that it stayed in my closet so long. We've got 2 pairs of tights, 2 sunglasses, 2 like baby tee, graphic tee t-shirts. That's makeup, hair stuff, skincare, a cardigan, a leather jacket, a leather vest, the shirt I knitted, a sweater, a crew neck, Sambas, the shoes I just made, little kitten heels that I thrifted, a white slip dress, or it's an iris top, 2 thermals in case it gets kind of chilly, my micro skirt, Vivienne Westwood hat, a hysteric glamour scarf, sleep shorts, a plain like cotton vest, undies, socks, Dickies, loose jeans, and camel pants. And then I'm gonna wear this hoodie on the plane because hoodies on the plane are the best, and I'll end up wearing this there for sure, even though I wish I would not. I don't poop on vacation, so I got little mini Miralaxes because like I have the big pack. I can't just put them in baggies because it looks so suspicious. And then I've got these Hero acne patches. I normally use Starface, but I'm gonna try those out. This is a bunch of tech stuff. And then I'm bringing my Casetify phone cases, as well as the one that's on my phone right now. How freaking cute are these? I just got all of these like a week or 2 ago, and I want to say thank you so much to Casetify for sponsoring this video. I'm pretty sure you guys already know the rundown for Casetify. I talk about them non-stop, and I always have one of their cases on my phone. Their cases are made of 65% plant-based and recycled material, and their Casetify technology upcycles end-of-the-life phone cases, bioplastic, and excess plastic to give new life to post-consumer waste. That's what I've got on my phone right now. They're made of crushed plastic, so upcycled phone cases, which requires less processing and reduces Casetify's carbon footprint by 20%. Their Chi-Tech 2.0 technology is drop-tested approved for up to 9.8 feet. The cases are 100% non-toxic and non-hazardous, and they also include an antimicrobial coating, killing 90% 99% of germs and bacteria and prevents bacteria from sticking on your phone in the first place, which is such an important thing to me, especially going to New York right now. I want to be clean as possible. Also, they have MagSafe compatible phone cases. If you guys want to check out Casetify, you can go to casetify.com/Lainey for 15% off your phone case. I swear by these phone cases. You'll never catch me with something else on my phone. Okay, what's the rest that I'm packing? My wallet and my Beats headphones. Oh, I wanted to bring fun and games because I'm a child. I'm gonna bring my Nintendo Switch and then I'll bring a book. I really don't think I'll be reading, but maybe. And then I wanted to start reading The Alchemist. My mom just gave this to me, so that's what I'm gonna bring for fun and games. But this went by really fast, so I'm gonna show you some outfit combinations of what I'm bringing because it's fun. And then my Miralax box in the back, that's disgusting. And then we're gonna see what I end up wearing actually in New York and if I end up just shopping. Here's one outfit that I already know I really like. So I would want to wear this with like sandal kitten heels, I think. Oh my god, what bags am I gonna bring? Shart, yarf. So I think this is one of the bags I'm gonna bring. This is my Harley Davidson thrifted like leather tote kind of, and it's just so large. I can fit like a vlog camera and all that stuff, and then also you're not really supposed to, I guess, but who's to say I can't do anything? I can wear it like this if I'm just feeling like I need some extra hands. So yeah, this is like the perfect bag to bring. I brought it last time we went to New York too. So yeah, this outfit is super cute with these little kitten heel shoes, but I'm sure some of you think it's disgusting. I don't care. And then if I want to dress it up more for like at night, I can do the black blazer. Could always add like the Vivienne Westwood. Okay, this looks mother trucking cool. I don't care what you say. And then also I could wear it with Sambas like during the day or if my feet are just hurting. But these little kitten heels are Comfort Plus, so they better work. Let's do another outfit with the camo pants. I'm kind of on the fence about bringing this sweater. This is the one I made. I'm gonna have to buy like double-sided tape to tape myself on. I need to put all my jewelry back on too. I don't know, it might not be doing it for me. Why do I feel like it makes me look really wide? Okay, this sweater's gonna wait. You know, I don't wanna show you guys outfits where like, this can go with my hoodie and this can go with my crew neck and boring stuff like that, but honestly, I really only have boring shirts. Let me show you one more fun one. Okay, so this also goes with camo pants. Super cute pairing, I think. And then I could wear my Sambas, probably lean more towards like Sambas. I'm putting one on because you guys, I ripped the mother trucker out of my heel on, I was trying to like gauge if I could bring my like Doc shoes with me that I haven't broken in yet. So I took Ernie on a walk and I wore them. Big mistake, you guys, big mistake. See, a little bit more toned down. And then even wearing the blazer with this, you guys, I never wear this blazer, but for some reason I'm obsessed with it right now. The blazer is a super cute look, double thumbs up. Or if you want to like dress it down, you can wear the leather jacket, which is really fun. And also with these pants, I want to show you these pants, this hoodie, and then put the leather vest over top. I'm sorry, but that looks cool. I really like the look of this. It's really the only way I want to wear the leather vest. And wearing it over like a gray crew neck is also a cool look. Again, just with the Sambas, I think. And I'm not bringing any boots because I think Amanda is bringing knee-high boots. And we're just gonna share. So that's why I'm not too like freaked out about underpacking too, because I know Amanda's gonna bring good stuff. So I'm thinking maybe the sweater can go over this dress. I really like how it looks from the side, but like dead on, I don't like how it looks. I don't know, maybe this is cute. I don't know, I feel a little naked up top. I really like the arms though. And I'd want to wear black shoes with this, and that's my thing. I don't have any other brown. I don't think I'm bringing the sweater. It's cut. I'm going to show you how I will style the dress though. Okay, this is such a cute look. And then I might put like a bra on over top the dress. and you know, like tuck it in like that. Belt with these shoes is super cute. And then adding this jacket. I don't know, maybe if it's warm enough I won't even need this sweater, which would be nice. I'm like sweating right now. It's supposed to be like 50 when we're there, which is absolutely insane, and like my brain kind of can't comprehend it. Like that looks cool, but also if I want to like dress it down a bit, adding a leather jacket is a really cool vibe. Dressing it down even more, like if I wanted to wear this during the day, you know, like adding a scarf. She's cool, I love her. I don't feel like doing anymore. Cause I'm feeling confident. Normally I do outfits. I pack outfits. I don't really pack just pieces, but I normally like go on trips for like 3 or 4 days. And this time we're going for almost 7. I thought it'd be better to pack pieces in a capsule wardrobe kind of way that I know will go together. Cause then like my Dickies go with this cardigan, go with this shirt, go with my Orson Iris top, go with crew neck, go with hoodie, go with jacket. I'll show you guys everything when it's packed into my carry-on, and then I'll probably bring you guys when we go to Amanda's and pack everything into one suitcase we're gonna check. This is the carry-on I use. It's from Baboon to the Moon. I use basically all their packing stuff. I might take a few things out so it closes a little better just because I think we have space. This is like my cameras and tech equipment, and then this is my laptop, and then I fit a ton of clothes in here. This is really nice to like get out during the plane ride easily. Jacket I'm wearing on the plane, all that I'm wearing on the plane, and then I only have to pack up that stuff in the big suitcase. So I definitely think I'm gonna be okay to empty out some of my carry-on and put it on the checked bag. And I left out all my toiletries and makeup and stuff because it's like liquids and I don't have travel sizes of things. When we figured out we were gonna just check a bag, I was like, then I can put all my like big liquids on the check bag and not have to worry about it. And this way my carry-on are my like prized possession thrifted pieces, and then my tech that's super expensive. So I feel good about that. I'm really excited. I actually think right now I'm gonna go through and take a few things out of this because I can't I don't know. We'll see how much Amanda brings. I think we're gonna be over there a lot later tonight because I'm gonna go get dinner with Ava before I leave, and that's it. I'll see you guys when we're at Amanda's.
Wearing like actual normal clothes to castings. She's like, you don't have to wear all black all the time. So most of my outfits will double as casting outfits, and we're sharing clothes. Like I'm gonna wear some of Lainey's outfits. We're sharing.
Alright,
And we're shopping.
That's cool.
Oh yeah. She said bye.
That's our Uber driver.
We'll go back to my closet, because then it'll just be extras. How cute.
Is that the one from Brandy?
Yeah. And a tall pair of boots with a fur coat.
Yeah, that's so